In this video, you'll learn how to fix login errors on Bitget. This guide walks through the necessary steps to troubleshoot and resolve these issues effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google Chrome. Once the browser's open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen. Type in Google and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can access various settings. Next, locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. This icon represents the Chrome menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open the settings page where you can adjust various preferences related to your browser. Once the settings page loads, find the section titled Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Click on this option to access privacy-related settings. After that, locate and select Clear Browsing Data. This option will allow you to delete cached files and cookies, which can help fix login issues. In the Clear Browsing Data window, you will see an option to choose a time range for the data you want to delete. Select the drop-down menu and choose the desired time frame. For a thorough cleanup, select All Time from the drop-down menu. This will ensure that all cache data is removed, which may resolve your login errors. Next, click on the Clear Data button to confirm your selection. The browser will begin the process of deleting the selected data, which may take a few moments depending on the amount of data stored. Once the data deletion is complete, return to the settings page and scroll down to find the About Chrome section. Click on this option to check for updates. After clicking About Chrome, the browser will automatically check for any available updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Keeping your browser updated is crucial for optimal performance and security. After the update process is complete, restart your browser. This will ensure that all changes take effect. Now, try logging into Bitget again to see if the issue has been resolved. If you continue to experience login errors, consider checking your internet connection for stability. Additionally, ensure that your login credentials are correct and that there are no ongoing issues with the Bitget platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.